welcome back to Mallory Performance and welcome back to another video. So, if you saw in the previous video on the BMW M140i, you see that we're taking it on the track, we've tuned it, and now we sort of want to help the engine breathe a little bit better. So, what better way to do that than by fitting a Scorpion downpipe and full exhaust system. Before we get the Scorpion exhaust on it, here's a few clips of the sound before we fit the Scorpion exhaust. So this is a standard exhaust.
But I don't know if you let me in, yeah. I know you had your heart broken one too many times, and now it's hard for you to open up. They have been cruel to you, saying things they don't mean. They have been rude to you, disrespect how you feel. But baby, I'll never go that far, 'cause I know better than that. So baby, let me hold you, hold you. I wanna show you, show you, show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Let me show you what love is and why it's beautiful. Just put your body on top of mine, yeah.
So the exhaust is all fitted now, a Scorpion straight through system, pretty much to the back box. Let's start it up, see what it sounds like. So it's definitely a lot louder, and now because it's more free flowing, I suspect that we'd definitely have gained a lot more power from that. We will get the figures on the dyno of this at some point, but for now, let's take it out on the road and do a little comparison of before and after. Let's get it on the road. Right, now we're back at Mallory Performance on the dyno with the 140i, and it's time to see if we've got any sort of power increase from the exhaust. So if you remember from the last video, we left it on 404 bhp with 440 foot-pounds of torque. Let's get it on and let's see if there's any more power to be had out of the M140i. Let's do it. So the results are in. We're on 430 bhp and 417 foot-pounds of torque. So we've actually gained a little bit of bhp. We've gained up to 430 bhp now, but we've lost a little bit of torque. We are running at 417 foot-pounds of torque at the minute. Phil's gonna have a little play with the tune, and we're gonna check back with you in a future video and see how much more we can push out of the BMW 140i. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you click subscribe. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button. See you in the next video.